Hi guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today we'll be making salsa. Let's get started. First, I'm going to cook my shrimp. I'm going to cook my shrimp first. So I'm going to go to my stove. Make sure that your fry pan is hot, very hot, before adding your vegetable oil. Now you can use any kind of oil that you like. Now my fry pan is hot. I'm going to add my oil. I'll not be using a lot. You see, just scroll it around. When you add your shrimp, make sure that it's seasoned before, so that you can know. Let it be seasoned. Now I'm adding my shrimp. In this shrimp, I did not add any seasoning to the shrimp. So don't put any seasoning on it. Just fry it. You see that it's seasoned. Don't overcook it. Now I will allow my shrimp to cool down and I will start on my lime. I'm using 3 lime. If your lime is bigger than mine, you can use 2. But if it's not big, use 3. And if you don't have lime, you can use lemon. Now I'm going to chop my shrimp. I've already cut my shrimp into bite sizes. Now I'm going to cut my zucchini. Now if you don't like zucchini, you can use cucumber, because in the recipe, the original recipe, they use cucumber. Because me, I don't like cucumber. That's why I'm using zucchini. So you can use the one that you like. Maybe zucchini or cucumber. Choose one, use one. cut it to this side and then I'm going to chop. Or you can do it this way. I've put my zucchini in the bowl. This is it with my shrimp. I'm going to cut my tomatoes. Please like, comment, share, tell everybody you know about Damilolo Olaleye's kitchen. Follow me on Facebook at Mary Olaleye on Facebook. I've had my tomatoes, my shrimp, and my zucchini in the bowl. Now I'm going to add my avocado into the bowl. Now I will be using my green onion. Now I need to tell you one thing. You can use, if you don't have green onion, you can use white onion, the regular onion. This is what I like. Now this is what I'm sticking to. I'm cutting the end off. Now cut it. mix everything together. You will now taste it. If you notice that you need lime juice, add it. You taste it to your flavor. My own like this, I like it this way. So I'm going to give you a taste. Or eat it with this chips.